Hey everyone, this is just a quick demo on Windows how to install the GIT tool and how to use it. So we're going to click on Windows, open, say yes to the GIT for Windows UAC prompt. Go ahead and read that license. You probably won't get that pop-up window. And I'm just going to basically take all the defaults. One difference is in here. I'm going to change my editor, but you don't have to do that if you don't want to. Great. So it looks like everything was successful. So now we're going to go ahead and just try using it as well. So let me just open a command prompt and switch to the F drive. Okay. And I'm going to click on this drop down that says code and then click on this clipboard icon. At that point it's copied it so to the clipboard. So now we can do get clone, and there you go. Now we've cloned it. And it's gone ahead and made all the sim files. So that's just a quick demo of how you can use, how you can install GIT and clone a repo. Thanks for watching.